Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert AI-generated HTML into WordPress block. This is a local HTML file. It could be from Gemini or Claude or ChatGPT or any AI website builder out there. You just need to save it as an HTML file. Then open it in the Chrome browser like this. We will be using a Chrome extension called HTML to WordPress to convert this HTML file into WordPress blocks. We also need to install this plugin called Advanced Add-ons. This is the requirement for the extension because some of the limitation of WordPress blocks. I will provide the link for the plugin and extension in the description below. Because we are using local HTML files, we need to give permission to the extension to be able to access the local file. This don't need it if we want to convert a live website. Go to Chrome extension and then on the HTML to WordPress extension details, make sure to enable Allow Access to File URLs. Okay, now back to our HTML file. Make sure to scroll down the page so all the content are shown. Then open the HTML to WordPress extension from top right corner. We have the extension dialog at the top right bottom. Select Capture All Content within the page, because we want to capture all content in this page. Then click button Capture Page. Wait until finish, then go to WordPress Block Editor. The WordPress data automatically copy to clipboard when the extension capture the page. We just need to paste the data on WordPress Editor. Let's make it full width. This is how it looks on the WordPress Editor. Let's save it and see how it looks on the front end. Okay, this is how it looks on the front end. And this should be responsive. Let's inspect the page to see its mobile view. This looks good for me. You may need to edit some detail manually, especially if you're working or converting more complex website. Let's back to the editor. I want to show you the structure of the page and its blocks. The output are the WordPress default blocks, like group block, grid block, heading block, image block, and so on. And of course, it is editable. Okay, now let's try other template. This is a dark theme template with shader animation. Like before, we need to scroll down to check that all the section is shown, because some section may hidden for animation purpose. Open the Chrome extension and select Mode, Capture All Content within the page. Then click Capture Page button. Go back to WordPress Editor. I will delete previous content and then paste the new captured content. Let's make it full width. This is how it look on the block editor. I will save it and view it on the front end. I will inspect the page to see its responsive view. Okay, that's it. Check the description for the link mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.